Good morning. It's cold. I just took a kilo potty and I'm gonna get the it's too early. I'm gonna get the milker and the bottle ready for milking. Yeah. This thing is so cold. Oh. Fix it. Good girl. Putting that together made my fingers hurt so bad. They're so cold. I think I'm gonna have to start keeping that inside. It's just too cold. You ready? Go make a bottle? Come on, Kayla girl. We don't have any water this morning. Dripping wasn't enough. I guess I gotta try the bathroom.
It's warm.
Yeah, just warm water. Is it gonna work? Yay! We get a bottle.
This stuff always smells like calf replacer.
What?
Gas. Vanilla protein powder. That is why I will never be a bodybuilder of that kind.
But also, human formula reeks like...
Calf formula smells different. It specifically smells like artificial vanilla protein powder.
Yeah, but I prefer artificial vanilla than the most vile smell on earth.
Well, I haven't really smelled human milk replacer very often. That does
human
cause
milk replacer. That sounds funny.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it does cause disgusting poos.
I'd rather deal with the effects of this, but I don't want to smell it.
I think this is 10 times more pleasant. When Wisdom heard that we were going to do formula, she was totally grossed out because of making bottles for other people and how disgusting that was. I think that either there's artificial stuff in there that we don't want in our humans, or they care more about cows than they do humans.
Yeah, I don't know which, but it literally every single brand of calf replacer I've ever smelled smells like vanilla, artificial vanilla.
You need to smell some human milk replacer now. I'm gonna start calling it that instead of formula.
I know.
Come here, Stars. Akila, come. Good girl. Come here. You. Doesn't count as coming if you just turn around and leave. Akila. I hear them barking too, but they don't need you. Come here. Come on, sweet girls. Come here, sweet girls. Do you want to go back outside? Akila, you want to go outside? You want to go outside? Let's go outside. You're an ice scraper.
Hopefully we'll get here after
Surely. She's full of spit and vinegar today.
Huh?
I said she's full of spit and vinegar today.
Who are you there?
No, dog.
Mom, the puppy is way. I didn't
good. You don't have to break it all up. It just has to be good enough for them to drink. Can you grab the puppy's feed dish?
Yep. Like, look. Man, it couldn't hold this.
Yep. She still has food.
Yeah.
What? All of her food? Or did you guys really feed her?
All of it.
Wow.
She
Wonder
just
why.
got all the milk.
Interesting. Are we getting picky?
She ate a tiny bit of her food, but barely any.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Yikesies. All right, back up. Just take it over there. We'll add more milk to it, and we won't get her any new feed tonight. Grab this thing. Ah!
Thing I need to think about one. There's only one spring day down there. Minivan.
Yeah. Good morning. Keep wanting to call her Gracie lately. You're not Gracie, you're Bessie. That's dog food. Don't let her eat it. Don't let her eat it. Okay, get on around. Hey. Can you fix her stanchion? Because she can't get in it the way it's set up.
I know. They left it.
Ooh, no. Back up. Bessie, back. Good, Bessie girl. You got her set up now.
Forward. So.
You can pull that out so it's ready.
Okay.
Oh, scare that chicken away from her feed. Here, I'll just hold that.
Do you know why?
No, what happened?
They were playing hide and go seek, and then she got all mad because her food was gone, and she kept going.
Quick move. Are you starting it, bud? Mackie? Tubbs! We don't need to machine milk her. We have this surge. The reason we do is because I have a bum shoulder. I'm the one that likes to milk. Other people take turns when I'm not able to come up. Mostly, go hunt him down. But mostly it needs to be on me. My shoulder cannot handle her back teats because it's just too much work to try to strip them out with my bad shoulder. Excuse me. So we have a milker. She only gives 1.5 gallons morning and night. So she's not a heavy producer by any stretch of the imagination. So, you know, whatever. That's why we have the milker. We milked for 8 or 10 years without a milker. And frankly, I don't like them. They're just cumbersome, loud, annoying. And the whole point to me to milking a cow is just that quiet, your head up against her, and you're just milking and just smelling the glorious sweet smell of your cow. And this is what I'm doing instead. When we first got her, I was ready to send her back. I bought her sight unseen. I just seen some pictures. I knew the person through other people that they were trustworthy and good to buy from. And I was pretty bummed whenever I tried her back teats and had instant pain in my shoulder. I told my husband we have to just give her back. We can't keep her. I was a mess. And, you know, he calmed me down and told me, like, that's stupid. Like, she's a total gem of a cow. Her personality is super great. She's so easy. She's small, not going to be hard to keep. So we bought a milker. Take a while.
It's at 0 pounds of pressure.
Something too long.
I'm gonna lock her in.
Sam, what are you doing? Oh.
That.
Since it's been yanked out, too.
Oh, here, walk her in. Oh, don't call her up here.
I'm gonna go get the calf out and move it. Okay. Sim, get down. Simeon, run.
So I didn't have enough camera battery to continue to record while I was up there. But we also take care of the chickens and water, obviously feed the dog. And we got all that done. I just wanted to mostly use this video to talk about getting Bessie. And also, it's very good to have a spouse that will talk you off a cliff, you know? I was definitely upset that I couldn't milk her back teats and was done. And she didn't even need any training. She just was so perfect. We got her the day she calved, and she's just so easy, so even keel, hardly ever moves her leg. She's just perfect. She's such a good cow, and I'm so thankful that he convinced me that we needed her, and it was fine. So she's definitely a gem here. She was completely weirded out about the camera here, and it just makes me laugh. She never pulls her head out of the grain bucket. All of our other cows have just like spilled grain everywhere, and she never does. But thanks for watching.